I was so excited to hear all of your thoughts. So I request the chief guest, the guest of honor, our keynote address speakers to please join us on the dais.
It's a great moment for School of Management and Commerce at K.R. Mangalam University to host this international conference.
So a lot of good papers, good researchers have very nice implications for policymakers.
We have these GPTs and all those chat boxes, which is why we don't give our own thinking.
AI is something that will magnify our mental abilities.
First, usage of technologies always happens for entertainment.
How do you think that the conferences which we have just witnessed, conducted by K.R. Mangalam University, really helps in building a momentum around very critical issues like innovation and technology?
Yeah, there are a lot of good conferences across the country, and I am so happy that the K.R. Mangalam also coming up with such kind of initiative. Definitely it will give a boost in terms of visibility to the work which university is doing from the sustainability domain perspective. The researchers of the university is doing that particular work and presenting here in front of the experts. Wonderfully organized, I must say. The choice of venue is good, the papers presented was really good. I could see that many external participation was there. So it is definitely a well-organized event.
So this is essentially about creating awareness among people, especially younger researchers. And since these are emerging areas such as sustainability and innovation to tackle these global challenges that we have, so such conferences bring to light the research gaps where we need to focus on, where we need to work upon, and good research papers that these conferences see. They show a path to policymakers.
These conferences are the major medium wherein we connect academia with industry people. So like there was a person, CEO from Gensol also here speaking about sustainability. So when we mix academia, research and development with the industry people, it is bound to bring a positive impact.
What I feel, as the Vice Chancellor sir also said, that still AI is there, but it will be giving you answers only. So to raise further queries, further questions, this is a platform where all researchers can discuss about. It was a wonderful experience. All the research scholars, they were doing well. They presented good papers, and being a teacher, it's always a learning.